Today we'll take a look at a few ways to save your customer information and payment methods. Let's start with when you're running a transaction for a new customer. Let's call this customer Save Customer as an example and put in some card details and an amount. You'll notice at the bottom of the screen there are two checkboxes: Create a new customer, which will create a customer profile, and Create a new payment method, which will save the payment method used in this transaction in that customer's profile. Let's go ahead and process this transaction. Now, when we navigate to our Customers tab and we search for that customer, we'll find that profile, and in their Wallet tab, we'll see the saved payment method which was used in that transaction. If you click on that payment method and then click on History, you'll see all transactions that were run using this payment method. The second way to create a new customer is from right here within the Customers tab. Click this button to create a new customer and fill out their general information. Then click Save. Find the customer that was just created and click on the Wallet tab. Then click on Add, where you can add either a card or a check and save it to this customer's profile. The third way to create a customer and a saved payment method is from the Reports tab. So if a transaction was run from outside of the gateway or from the Process Transaction tab without the checkboxes checked to save the customer payment method, you can still create a customer profile and save the payment method off of a previously run transaction. Simply find a transaction that was run and click on the Create Customer button. We'll go ahead and click on Save, and that customer has now been created in the Customer Vault. You can also merge one customer to another in the event that there are duplicate customers. Simply find the duplicate and then click on the Merge button. Find the customer profile you'd like to merge this customer profile into, and then click on Merge. You can also upload many customers at once by clicking on the Customer Upload button, downloading our customer template, filling it in, and uploading it ready here. Make sure to read our tips for a successful upload beforehand.